This city is beautiful, but I think we're lost.
Yeah, I can't find the museum. Do you see any signs?
No, nothing. I think we took a wrong turn back there.
Should we ask someone for directions?
Yes, but I'm nervous to speak English with strangers.
Don't worry, it's simple. Just say, "Excuse me, can you help me?"
Okay. Excuse me. Can you help me? Got it. Then what?
Then ask, "Where is the museum?" Or, "How do I get to the museum?"
How do I get to the museum? That sounds nice and polite.
Exactly. You can also say, "Is it far from here?"
What if they speak too fast?
Can you please speak slowly? People are usually kind and happy to help.
Okay, I see someone. Should I try?
Yes. I'll stand next to you. Go for it.
Excuse me, can you help me? How do I get to the museum?
Nice. And if they say something like, "Go straight and turn right," you follow it.
What if they say it's 2 blocks away? What does that mean?
Blocks are like small street sections. So 2 blocks means walk straight past 2 corners.
Oh, okay, that helps. And what's across from?
Across from means on the opposite side of the street. Like the museum is across from the library.
This is actually fun. I feel like a tourist.
You are. And tourists ask for directions all the time. It's normal.
What if I want to find a bus stop?
Where is the nearest bus stop? Or how can I get to the bus station?
Is there a bus stop near here?
Perfect sentence.
Look, there's the museum sign.
Great, so we were close the whole time.
Next time, I'll ask someone even faster. I feel more confident now.
That's the spirit. The more you ask, the easier it gets.
And I can use these phrases in any city, right?
Anywhere in the world where English is spoken, these are real-life phrases.
Let's go inside the museum. And maybe next time, I'll ask for directions to a restaurant.
Great idea. That'll be our next adventure.